Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For today's video guys, I am going to make some salad, and this is not your ordinary salad. So before I show you everything, I want to make the sauce for our salad first, or dressing I mean. This is lime juice, probably like 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and I am going to use some fish sauce. This is my Filipino fish sauce. I love my Filipino fish sauce. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons first, and we'll adjust it later if I need more. I am going to use some soy sauce. This is also Filipino soy sauce. We're going to put just a tablespoon. And sesame oil. Probably just a teaspoon because this is very strong. And then I'm using this sweet chili sauce. One, 2, 2 tablespoons. And then the hot crispy garlic crispy oil. I love this stuff. And then sesame seed. Garlic. I think it needed a little bit more of the fish sauce. And we're gonna set this aside. And I prepare all the veggies already. Then I'm just going to cook our beef that we marinated. So guys, we are going to cook our beef. Olive oil, and the beef we have to cook it really fast in high heat. So now we can see the smoke. We're going to put our beef. Hello everybody. I have a different introduction today or tonight. So I know you saw some of the ingredients of our dinner. Oh, by the way, I'm having salad, guys. I think I mentioned it a while ago, but because I needed vegetables. Lately I don't really have a lot of vegetable on my dish, on my cooking, so I chopped the lettuce. This is what is this? What kind of lettuce is this? Hold on, let me check. I forgot the name of the lettuce. You see, I think I need to eat more salad, guys, because I already forget the name of our lettuce. This is romaine lettuce. So that's what I'm using for tonight's salad. I have the red onions, the red and orange bell pepper, and then the cherry tomatoes. And you saw that I made the sauce, and on our sauce I am just going to add the green onions that I chopped, and then I didn't put all the garlic because I don't want to be really strong. And then I am putting some of these glass noodles, the Korean glass noodles, and we finish our beef right there. I'm letting it rest before I cut it. And then I have some peanuts that I'm just going to crush. I don't want it too small. I just crush it a little bit because I wanted to have some big pieces. So we're gonna put that, add that to our salad, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut our steak because I let it rest already for a few minutes. And I'm just going to use the scissor to cut it, and I will cut it like this, lengthwise. So guys, scissor is a very important tool in your kitchen. This one I got it from Brookstone. This one is one of my good one. Really strong scissor. So hopefully the beef is tender because this is not the rib eye. And if you see that I put baking soda, that's the secret, guys. Baking soda. So let me try some. You just need to be careful because the baking soda is salty. It's tender, guys, and this beef is actually really tough. This is a tough cut beef. Seems like I'm forgetting or I'm missing one small ingredient. I cannot remember the ingredients that I'm missing. Let me think. I think I needed brown sugar. Brown sugar for our sauce. Just a little bit though, maybe 1 teaspoon. Okay, let's assemble our salad. Okay, there's our lettuce. We're going to put our noodles. And then our tomatoes. The bell peppers. The red onions. Then we're gonna pour our sauce. Mix all of it. Put a little bit of the peanut. Save some for toppings. Then we're going to transfer it on our plate. And then we'll put our beef on top. Then the rest of the peanut. So here it is, guys. We are having salad for tonight's dinner. Let's try it. He's probably not gonna like the cold noodles. I know him. I like it though. I like the cold noodles. The sauce is so good. So there you go, guys. Really easy meal. Easy and delicious if you're craving for some salad. If you don't have that kind of noodles, don't need to put noodles. I don't know what kind of noodles that you can substitute it with. I don't know. I just thought of this, putting these noodles. But hopefully Chris will like the noodles because it's cold. Because he's gonna say, why is the noodles cold? I'll let you know, guys. Maybe for him, if I'm gonna make a separate salad for him, I'm gonna make the sauce a little spicy. But other than that, it's so good, guys. So easy to make. So because I'm craving for salad for dinner, this is what I came up with. Really easy dish tonight, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys again on our next video. Bye for now. Mwah.